YouTube, I'm back again to bring you more content. Today I'm going to do what I do every single Thursday. I'm going to give you 7 motivational quotes to get you through the week. So if you're interested, stick around and let's go ahead and get started. Quote number 1, roll your own dice. Who's to say that someone else generates luck for you? You generate your own luck, and this luck is generated based off of momentum of trying to work hard and working hard every single day. You create your own chances, and you take the chances that you create. And the way that you create your own chances is by going to the store and saying, hey, what's up, to a random stranger that looks like they're dressed nicely, that could be in business, that could be a potential client, by saying, hey, my name is this, I own this type of business, or even just striking up a random conversation with them and sharing contact details. This is the way that you create your own luck, and really all you do is say there is a 10% chance that the person that you're meeting in the store, the random person standing next to you in the store, is a $1 million business owner. If there's a 10% chance, chances are 100% that if you do not strike up a conversation with this person, you will not get anything out of this potential $1 million business owner that could be a client standing right next to you. So when I say create your own luck, all you're doing is putting yourself in situations where you have the opportunity to grow, you have the opportunity to excel, and you have the opportunity to learn from all these different people. 'Tis always the season. Why are you just happy some of the time? Why are you just content with everything going on some of the time? You should always be ready, always be growing, always be looking for opportunities, no matter if it's Monday, no matter if it's Friday, no matter if you're bogged down today or if you have nothing going on at all. You should always be looking for these opportunities to arise because they're always there. Can you count the stars through the clouds? It's all a matter of perspective. It's all a matter of making sure you have the right tools at your disposal. It's all a matter of positioning. You can position yourself in the proper place to where you can still see the stars even on a cloudy day, as long as you are ready to put yourself in the location that you need to be in to see the stars. Relax, be zen. I'll tell you what, guys, some of the best ideas that I have come to me when I'm relaxed, when I'm not doing anything, when I'm chilled out, because nothing is going through my mind except for A. There's no B, there's no C, there's no D, there's no Z, there's nothing else going through my mind except for this one thing, because I'm completely relaxed. I'm not thinking about anything else but that thing. And if that's the only thing I'm thinking about, if it's something that I'm passionate about, like graphic design, then I'm not going to be stressed out. I'm going to be relaxed because all I'm thinking about is ways that I can improve myself through graphic design, ways that I can improve my graphic design business that's going to take me off. That's all I'm thinking about. So am I stressed out? No, not really, because if I'm thinking about what I want to think about rather than thinking about the things that are put into my brain to think about, I'm not as stressed out. Now, as a matter of being zen, zen means to be fully present, to not be thinking about anything. And if you get to that zen state of mind, you will be relaxed and you will be refreshed to think about your business if your business is the one thing that is super duper crazily stressing you out. Crash through opposition. You sit there and you let your rivals talk smack on you and you let it get to you. I tell you what, if you look at this picture that I have for you right here, this picture of waves, what do you think the waves are doing? Do you think the waves are just sitting there and waiting for the rocks to move? No, what the waves are doing is they're just going to crash through it, and their drops are going to leak over to the other side, and eventually they'll get to the point where they have enough drops on the other side to where they can actually raise themselves up over this rock surface. Whether or not it takes 1,000,000 years, 10 years, 20 years, whatever it is, they are constantly doing this one thing of just crashing through and crashing through and crashing through. Whether they win or not, they're just going at it, and that's what you need to do. You need to be the bull, you need to give them the horns, you need to just crash through, charge into it, and give it your all every day, not even caring about what the opposition is. Just press play. Just do it. Just play. Just go. What's pausing you? Nothing. Just go. Dream massive. The smaller you dream, the smaller you achieve. So why are you not trying to achieve massive things? And how do you achieve massive things? You think of them. Because if you think of them, if you let them consume you, if it is all that you are is thinking about this thing, then nothing is going to happen but actually acquiring the dream. The acquisition of the dream is as easy as building up passion within yourself to make that dream a reality. So that's all I got for you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, please comment below, please hit that subscribe button, and also let me know if you like this content. Share it with your friends if it helped you out today. If it helped you stay motivated on this Thursday, please share it. I need all the support I can get right now. I'm just starting out. I only have a few subscribers, but I would really like to grow that number. So please share this video, and I will see you guys on Monday. Bye.